All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to build out project number 30. So let's go to learntechprojectfiles.com, then click on Adobe After Effects 2022 projects, go all the way down to the bottom, click on project number 30, which is photo editing with Photoshop 2022 Ultimate Guide. I will download that file, and let's go to After Effects, and we're going to create a new file, and we'll do File Save As, and we'll go to Documents, Projects, and then create a new folder, and let's label this 30, project number 30, photo editing with Photoshop 2022 Ultimate Guide. Working title. I'll right click, rename this file, I'll copy it, we'll paste it in here. Okay, make sure this is selected, save the file, go back to Firefox. The file should just be about done here. 5 more seconds it says. And again, the object of this is to get this project done as quickly as we can, for the simple fact of how much do we learn doing all these promo videos, right? So I've downloaded the file, I'll bring it into Documents, and then from there, let's bring it into Projects, and then project number 30. Double click on it, and then let's take a look at the graphics. So we have Introduction, Benefits, What You'll Learn, Students, Requirements, Thank You, Learn Tech Plus, Photo Editing, and then the graphic. So let's go to After Effects. I'm going to hit Command-I, and we'll go to 30. Grab that here, grab all this. Beautiful. Okay. Then we'll grab I was going to grab the logo, the video first. We'll lock that. Then let's grab the graphic. Expanding that out. Okay. We'll shrink it down to here. For 5 seconds. We can bring it in again. And then we'll expand it the other way for 45 seconds. And then expand it out. Okay. And then the logo, we'll expand that out. And then I'll slide that over and put that at the 50-second mark. And then we'll grab the graphics. So let's grab these, bring them in. And we'll kind of go back to the, actually I'll delete these for a second. I want to grab the thumbnail again. We're going to make a lower third out of this. So what we can do is we'll expand this out. I'll hold Shift. Okay, and instead of filling up the whole screen, we can just kind of do a sidebar. Well, let's do the whole screen. Why not? Why not? We'll do the whole screen. There we go. Beautiful, just like that. Grab all these, bring them in. And what I want to do is this one, we're going to highlight all of these and bring them 5 seconds over. But before we do that, let's shrink them down, okay, to 5 seconds, and then bring them over. And I will deselect the lower third and then bring all these down to here, and then make them smaller so they fit inside the lower third, okay. And then what I'll do is Introduction will be deselected. We'll bring these over, and then we'll bring in the background afterwards. Okay. So we'll snap that to here. And there you go. And now you have the photo editing with Photoshop Ultimate Guide promo video done quickly. And how fast did this take us? 4 minutes. So in under 5 minutes, we were able to create multiple projects because of the repetition and the practice. Okay. And we also know where everything is. So the point of showing you that is to say this. When you plan out a project, whatever it is, plan it out frame by frame so you know where everything is. Everything is in the planning, okay? The actual production of it is easy if you have a good plan. If you don't plan anything out, you're not going to know where anything is. And what I like to do when I do these things, I plan out everything first, okay? By the second, by the frame. That way I know exactly where to drop stuff. And then when I do these projects, it's really fast, okay? And what I like to do, personal preference, but what I like to do is keep things extremely minimal and simplistic. Okay, so I don't like to overload my videos with too many effects, too many graphics. I like to give it a balance of what it needs so that the people that are watching the video can engage with the content that I'm offering. Okay, but I don't want to overload them with too many graphics. And you see here, we literally have a thumbnail. We have a lower thirds, and then we have 6 graphics, right? We have another thumbnail, and then my logo, and then everything in between, right? But it adds so much to it. Just by doing this little bit, it makes it even better, okay? And that's what you want. You want to create an engaging promo video or video, tutorial, whatever you're doing, you want to make it as engaging as possible, okay? So that people want to watch it, right? And the way to do that, to add value to it, is through visualization or graphics, and give them a visual that can help them understand what you're trying to show them, okay? So, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.